Hi, folks. Welcome back to the Two Wheel Boomer channel. Tonight, I'm going to talk about some things, and I might not make everybody happy, but I think these things have to be said. I've been made familiar with this BikerDOTnet controversy that came up earlier this week and maybe last week. It's real. It's ugly. But BikerDOTnet doesn't seem to me to be the real problem here. Before anybody twists what I'm saying, let me tell you where I'm coming from. I've been a teacher for 30 years. I teach high school. I have taught elementary school, and I've taught middle school. I've seen what happens when adults cross the line. I've worked with educators who have gone to prison over this, and it just makes a mess of things. I have some frontline experience, at least in observation, when bad stuff happens. As it pertains to Easy Rider, I hear folks saying, don't bash Easy Rider, don't come down hard on Easy Rider. I'm not here to bash Easy Rider, nor am I here to defend Easy Rider. The truth of the matter is I don't read Easy Rider. I see some folks saying, well, a lot of people are virtue signaling and doing it for clicks and trying to build their channel. My channel has 579 subscribers. So, hey, I won't lie. If it helps the channel, if my channel grows from this commentary, I'm not going to look the gift horse in the mouth. Is that a bad way to put it? But I also have experience, and I think what we need to hear, you see, because outrage is easy. Posting is easy, commenting online is easy, but if you're really about protecting kids, and I spent my entire adult life with kids, looking at kids' faces every single day, here's the truth. It can't begin and end in the comments section, right? And BikerDOTnet is small potatoes, really. I just checked. BikerDOTnet, as of 2010 or 2011, which is now 16 years ago, had a monthly user base, a monthly user number of like 120,000 people. 120,000 users a month. That's this tiny, tiny proportion of people, and certainly a tiny portion of bikers. Hardly worth the oxygen when you consider what kids are dealing with every day in their lives. Certainly kids are assaulted, sexually assaulted, abducted, trafficked. We're certainly finding that out. But I won't go there. But they deal with real issues every single day. Hunger, disease, poverty, violence in schools, violence at home, mental illness, that is perpetuated by online harassment, and loneliness. And loneliness may be one of the most important things. I know there are bikers out there who do great work with kids. And I know the biker community is absolutely committed to the betterment of children's lives in this country and all around the world. I believe that, absolutely. You can see it anytime a young child has cancer and wants to see a bike parade. Folks come from as far as the news can travel, and that's a wonderful thing about the biker community. So forgive me if I get uptight, because I look at kids every day and I get uptight about how we're getting all in a bunch over this one particular thing, when there are so many bigger fish to fry than a post on a website that almost nobody reads. That's my take. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like motorcycle content, please hit like and subscribe. And how about check out one of these two videos? They still have fewer than 20 views, and I'd like to kick that number up a little bit. Why not? Until next time, this is the Two Wheel Boomer. Peace.